So why do Android phones slow down over time? Let's take a look at this. So there are a bunch of different things which contribute to it. A lot of times it's just temporary because of app cache and the temporary files building up over time, which is using up the storage and the memory. Like if you want like a quick fix and a quick freshening up of your phone, right, you can open up the settings and tap on the battery and a device care, and you should find the optimize now button if optimization is required. Or you can also just go to the memory and check out the current status of your RAM. You can see that I'm using up quite a lot of the memory, the RAM, so I can clean it, and the phone will most definitely get faster after that, right? So of course, if there are other background processes being like going on in the background, like apps accessing the internet and refreshing in the background, which you can also tweak, well, this can also add up and it can slow down your phone over time. And it also depends on the hardware. Like, let's address that, of course, because if you have an like older device and it has, much less RAM than the newer models, then these things are accelerated even faster, and even less apps can build up cache over time and make the device a lot slower. So that's something that most definitely it plays a role in this. Outside of that, you also have the storage, so not the RAM but the actual storage. If it's full, it also might make the device slower, so that's that. And yeah, if you have a lot of software updates, usually the software updates like fix some issues and bugs and glitches. But if you have installed a couple of different updates on an older Android phone, it might happen that it's not as quick and snappy as it used to before. So that's another approach. Generally speaking, the older device gets, the slower it also becomes, which is, it makes sense. So that's a common issue, that older devices most definitely get slower over time. So yeah, these are the things which you can do about it. Obviously, just clean the RAM and get some device or device info applications like this one, where you can just browse the current status of your phone to see how many, how much of the RAM is being used and how many sensors and how many apps you have and all of these like different numbers if you want to get technical with it. But you can only do so much, right? So that's everything I wanted to show you. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Most definitely subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one in the future, and I'll see you later.